Hey y'all, this is Chris with OneSupport.com. Today I wanted to bring you another OneSupport Desktop Tool video. Today I wanted to go over our Chat with a Tech feature. You would use this feature to speak with one of our technicians if you're having an issue with your computer and you're not sure what to do. They could advise you and tell you what to do. They could remote into your computer and take care of it for you. You could even use this feature to upgrade from OneSupport to OneProtect or OneSecurity if you'd like. Uh, so let's go over it and see just how easy it is to use. First, you're going to want to locate the desktop tool icon and double click on it to open it up. Once it opens up, you'll see the live chat feature in the bottom right hand corner. You'll click on that and it'll tell you to click on the flashing icon in your taskbar and then click OK to continue. Here you're going to want to put in your name and your contact telephone number and then click Connect. This screen here notifies you that by clicking OK, our techs have the ability to remote into your computer. And then once you click OK, you'll be queued to speak to a technician. Here you can see that I was connected with a technician named Scott rather quickly. Once connected with a technician, they will ask for your email address so that they can pull up your account. Here I informed Scott that I was recording a video to show our customers how easy it is to chat with a tech using our software. Then I asked him to demonstrate how easy it is for him to remote into my computer to take control. From there, Scott informed me he could easily take over my computer. I would just have to click the OK button to allow him access. Here you can see that by clicking OK, I'm allowing Scott control of my computer, allowing him to view system information, transfer, delete, and overwrite files, reboot my computer, run scripts, deploy a calling card, and inviting him to collaborate. Once he has access of my computer, it'll notify you, and it'll tell you that once you want to regain control, you can just click the X in the chat box. Once Scott has control of my computer, I ask him, so from here you'd be able to do anything on my computer that you would be able to do for one of our customers, such as virus and malware removals or a PC tune-up, and he informs me that that's correct. Scott even informs me that he's able to perform those tasks without me allowing him access to my computer from the dashboard, meaning that if you're not there in front of your computer, you're able to call in, let them know what's going on, and they're still able to fix your computer remotely. Scott then asks if I need anything else, I inform him I don't, and then he terminates the remote connection. Well guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on what else our software is capable of, I'll link a video below that goes over many of our other features, or you could visit us at OneSupport.com or call the number on your screen. Thanks for watching.